In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your workspace picture in ClickUp. To get started, open ClickUp and make sure you're in the workspace you want to update. This is important because if you manage more than one workspace, you'll want to confirm you're editing the correct one before making any changes. Taking a moment to check this first can help you avoid updating the wrong workspace image. Once you're in the right place, look to the upper left corner of the screen and click the workspace avatar. This is the area that gives you access to workspace level options and settings. After you click it, a menu will appear. From that menu, select Settings. This will open the main settings area where you can manage different parts of your workspace. When the settings page loads, look over to the settings sidebar and click Workspace. This section contains the basic workspace details, including the image that represents it. Click the current workspace picture. This opens the image update option. From here, choose Upload Image. This tells ClickUp that you want to replace the existing picture with a new one from your device. Now, browse your device and select the new picture you want to use. It's a good idea to choose an image that's clear, easy to recognize, and properly sized, or since this picture may appear in different places across your workspace. Once you select the file, ClickUp will give you the option to adjust it before saving. At this stage, position the picture inside the cropping area. Take your time here, so the most important part of the image stays centered and visible. If the image includes a logo or another key visual, make sure it fits well inside the crop, since parts outside the selected area may not appear in the final version. When everything looks right, click Save. After that, your new workspace picture will be applied. In most cases, the update appears right away, but if you don't see the change immediately, refreshing the page can help. And that's all it takes to update your workspace picture in ClickUp. It's a simple change, but it can help keep your workspace organized, visually consistent, and easier to identify, especially if you're working across multiple teams or environments. Thanks for watching.